Welcome to Scratchboard.io. Ever wanted to experiment with embedded systems but felt held back by hardware costs? We get it. That's why we've created a powerful online platform where you can design, create, and simulate embedded system circuits in real time, all from your browser. Whether you're taking your first steps in electronics or building complex microcontroller designs, Scratchboard.io provides a risk-free virtual environment to bring your ideas to life. No expensive hardware needed, just your creativity and passion for building. Our intuitive interface makes it easy to design and test circuits in real time, collaborate with team members seamlessly, experiment without worrying about hardware damage, learn and grow at your own pace. Ready to start building? Click the Login button at the top right-hand corner to begin your journey into virtual hardware development. New users can create an account in seconds and start experimenting right away. Now you'll see our login page where you can access your Scratchboard workspace. You have two easy options to get started. You can either use your email and password, or for a quicker setup, simply click the Login with GitHub button at the bottom of the screen. Since we're doing a quick demo today, let's use the GitHub option. Go ahead and click that Login with GitHub button to continue. Welcome to your Scratchboard dashboard. Here you can see your recent projects displayed as cards at the top. Below that, you'll find the Discover section where you can explore projects created by other users in the community, and your recent activities are tracked in the bottom right. Ready to create your first project? Just look for the circular floating action button at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your gateway to starting a new project. Go ahead and click it to begin. When you click the Create button, a modal window appears with different project options. You can start with Arduino-based projects using either the Arduino Uno or Nano boards, create a blank digital circuit project from scratch, or even create reusable digital circuit components that you can incorporate into other projects. But here's a great way to get started quickly. Click on the From Template tab at the top of the model. This will show you our collection of pre-built templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates are carefully designed to help you learn and get up to speed faster. Let's check out what templates are available. Go ahead and click that From Template tab. Now you'll see all our available templates laid out for you. We have quite a collection here. Stepper motor controller example, serial communication example with Arduino Uno, 7-segment display example with 4-bit digital counter, flame sensor example, and several others to explore. For this demo, let's focus on the digital safe example template. It's a great project that combines both digital logic and user interaction. Go ahead and select the digital safe template to get started. Click the name field to fill in the project name. Before we create the project, notice the Visibility drop-down menu. You can choose between two options here, public or private. If you set it to public, your project will be visible to all Scratchboard users, great for sharing knowledge and collaborating with the community. If you choose private, the project will only be visible to you, perfect for personal experiments or projects you're not ready to share yet. For now, let's leave it as public so others can learn from our project. Now go ahead and select Public. Click the Create button. Now you're in the Scratchboard playground. Let me walk you through what you're seeing here. On the left side, you have your code editor where you can write and edit your Arduino sketch. On the right side is your circuit editor, where you can see and modify your circuit connections. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar with important buttons. There's a Save button to preserve your work and a green Run button that will execute your project. At the bottom, you'll find the console, which displays output and debugging information. In this digital safe example, you can see we already have some code set up with includes for wire, LCD, and servo libraries, and the circuit is pre-wired with an Arduino UNO board connected to an LCD display, a servo motor, and a keypad. This gives you a great starting point to understand how these components work together. Click the top left icon to view the project files. In the File Explorer, you'll notice two important files. First, there's the sketch file, which contains your main Arduino code. You can see it's already open in the code editor with the necessary includes and setup for the LCD display and keypad. Above that, you'll see the requirements.txt file, which lists all the Arduino libraries needed for this project to work. Click on the requirements.txt file to view its content. As you can see, here we list all the Arduino libraries needed for this project to work. In this case, we're using the Liquid Crystal I2C library for the LCD display and Servo for controlling the servo motor. We can also view all the available requirements by clicking the Add Requirement drop-down button. Let's go back to the sketch file. Let me show you how to work with components in the circuit editor. To add new components to your playground, you'll see a blue plus button in the circuit editor area. Click the blue circular button. When you click it, you'll get access to our extensive library of components, from basic elements like resistors and LEDs to more complex components like sensors, displays, etc. Each component comes with its pins and specifications already configured, so all you need to do is place them on the board and wire them up according to your circuit design. This makes it easy to experiment with different circuit configurations and test how components interact with each other, all in a safe virtual environment. Click away to close the drop-down. Now that we have our circuit set up, let's bring it to life. Click the green Run button at the top of the screen to execute the project. This will compile your code and simulate your circuit in real time. You'll be able to interact with your components and see how they respond. You can type on the keypad, watch the LCD display update, and see the servo motor move based on your inputs. The console at the bottom will also show you any output or debugging information from your running sketch. Press 1 on the keypad connected to the Arduino board. Now press 2 and so on. This will go ahead and unlock our digital safe as demonstrated. Now let's go ahead and create a new code for unlocking our digital safe. Let's now try the new code we just set. Congratulations! We've successfully unlocked our digital safe. You just experienced firsthand how Scratchboard.io lets you build and test real embedded systems projects right in your browser. We went from template to a fully functioning digital safe with an LCD display, keypad input, and servo motor control, all without needing to buy or set up any physical hardware. This is just one example of what you can create with Scratchboard.io. Whether you're learning electronics, prototyping a new idea, or teaching others, our platform gives you the freedom to experiment and innovate without limits. We can now go ahead and stop our simulation. You can easily share your creations with the Scratchboard community. Just click the Share Project button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This lets other users learn from your work, remix your designs, and build upon your ideas. It's a great way to contribute to our growing community of hardware enthusiasts. When you share a project, others can see both your code and circuit design, making it a powerful tool for collaboration and learning. So go ahead and click that Share button to make your digital safe project available to the community. Simply click the Generate button and Scratchboard will create a unique link to your project. This link can be shared with anyone, whether they're your teammates, students, or fellow developers. When they open it, they'll see exactly what you've built, including all the code, circuit connections, and documentation. Perfect! Scratchboard has generated 2 ways to share your project. First, you've got a direct share link that anyone can click to instantly view your project. Below that, you'll notice an embed code snippet. This is particularly exciting because it means you can embed your Scratchboard project directly into your own website or blog. The widget is fully interactive, allowing visitors to your site to see and interact with your circuit simulation right there on your page. Both the share link and embed code can be easily copied using the copy button. It's a great way to showcase your work, whether you're creating a tutorial, documenting your project, or sharing with your team. Click the copy button to copy the embed code to the clipboard. You can now close the model. Click the project name to view more information about the project. Here we can view and edit any information about the project, i.e. project name, visibility, project tags, and project description. Click the toggle button to change the project visibility from public to private. Click away to close the side drawer. Click the logo on the top left to go back to the File Explorer. Click the Back to Dashboard button. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled with your current workspace name. Clicking this will allow you to switch between different workspaces. Workspaces are a great way to keep your projects organized. You might want one workspace for personal projects, another for team collaborations, and maybe a separate one for learning exercises. To create a new workspace, simply click the plus button next to your current workspace. This will allow you to set up a fresh workspace where you can organize a new set of related projects. Click Create New Workspace. This will open a new workspace model. Click the name file to fill in your unique workspace name. Click Create. Scratchboard will go ahead to create a fresh new workspace and automatically switch you to it. This new workspace starts completely clean, giving you a blank canvas to organize a new collection of projects. You won't have to manually switch to it. The platform handles that for you, so you can immediately start creating new projects in your fresh workspace. Thank you for taking the time to explore Scratchboard.io. We're excited to have you join our community of hardware enthusiasts, students, and developers. As a special offer for our Product Hunt launch, we're offering a 40% discount for the first 6 months of your subscription to our first 100 users. Just use the coupon code EARLY100 during checkout. Don't wait too long. These early bird spots will fill up quickly. Start your hardware development journey today with Scratchboard.io, where you can design, create, and simulate without limits. Thank you for watching.